This is my boy set of 12 crochet hooks. They start with size B and go all the way up to N. And they come in different colors, and you can use them for a variety of sizes of projects, starting with a small thread type yarn all the way up to a bulky yarn. These come in a variety of colors so that you can tell the sizes apart, and they also have the sizes on the handle so you can look at the size that you need. The crochet hooks included in this set include a B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and N. The 12 crochet hooks measure between 2.25 millimeters and 10 millimeters. Each of the crochet hooks in this crocheting supply set feature ergonomic handles, which are good for people that have arthritic hands or just get tired crocheting after a while. And